Model, 2007 Volkswagen Transporter 102 1.9 TDI camper conversion needs camshaft replacing starts drives No Vat. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 212,302. MOT, the 15th of January 2026. Engine, 1896 cc BRS 102 bhpe 4B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs fine but the camshaft is worn, there is popping sand coming from the inside. This is a very common easy repair job. If you know what you're doing still starts and drives as it should, but will definitely need the cam replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.